Yeah, stubbing this bitch. Okay, so we've got a phone call.
Alright.
Yeah, this is a damn shoe. Here, look at this. Yeah, call me Ward, bro. There we go. Oh, shit, hold on. Go ahead. Here you go,